Okay, I'm gonna have Richard do this next song. Richard, what do you want to do, cowboy?
This is a song from my side, the anime I live on. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Love you, man. Kakalala. Song is out, I love you, what name. Gonna sing songs about Wine Night, maybe they might extend the rail into Wine Night, you never know. Right now they stop at couple I don't know why. So, we're working on that one. Now on no rail at all. Too later. All of you Wine Night, good ladies.
Okay, we want to feature Nikki one more time.